Penh. Italy! I'm starting out to eat at the River House Bistro after 7 hours in a taxi from Sihanouk. Not kidding. A vlog coming up on that one soon. So this is the view. They have the not Mekong River. It divides over there, and I don't remember what this one is named. This is part of the Flamingo at the Golden Flamingo. Sorry, the restaurant is called actually the Golden Flamingo. So it's morning in the busy town of Phnom Penh in Cambodia. We are staying in a small little hotel that is quite cool actually. I'm gonna give you a little check on the room and what it costs and everything like that, but it's really cheap. Breakfast is included on a nearby restaurant, so you have to leave the hotel to have breakfast. Cool. But all in all, we are quite happy with it, and the weather is back, it seems. So maybe we can get some days without rain. There is of course a backside to every city, and they keep the really touristy street clean, but yeah, I mean, if you need to do your thing, here's the place. And 10 meters away you have wealth overflowing the streets. Clean streets, no dirt on this side, but the other side is dirty, of course. And if you didn't know it, this is actually the secret bar. I love that. You need an ATM, they have one in these kind of boxes. Some of them have air conditioning, some don't. Welcome to Central Market in Phnom Penh. Flowers, clothes, anything you need or don't need. As usual here in Thailand or in Cambodia. Seems like they have things in sections. Jewelry, clothes over there, more clothes. A lot of bling bling. I'm guessing it's all real. Äkta Oakley. We are entering the clothes section, and all right. And if you need a new hairstyle, you can get it here. Or new painting, or new clothes. This market has 4 entrances, one on each side, so it's really convenient. Seems like Madame is tired.
Không trái, sao nữa? Không trái.
Part of the outside, what you can expect. There's no shortage of tuk-tuk, so you don't need to walk from here if you don't want to. I can promise you that. So that's the central market, Cambodia. We managed to buy only one thing, and that was a bottle of water. The prices are of course in dollar, and they're really eager to take your money, if I say so. So be prepared to hustle and bustle. And we're taking left here. I don't really understand what that means, but something is forbidden. This is exactly what I mean when I say slow down in life. This is what they call the old market, and we're gonna visit that later today or tomorrow. Cambodia is a pretty awesome place, if you ask me. So different, but then also so same. So that's Central Market and Old Town. No, Central Market and Old Markets. Both between 5 and 10 minutes walk from the beach promenade or whatever it's called. Not bad at all. Stop monkeying around.
Bye bye.